What if infinity isn't the end? What could possibly lie beyond it? These questions have baffled minds for centuries, from ancient philosophers to modern scientists. Infinity feels vast and unreachable, but what if we've misunderstood it all along? Could there be something even greater? A reality so immense, so boundless, that it stretches beyond our imagination. In this journey, we're going to explore what lies beyond infinity, diving into mind-bending concepts like multiverses, higher dimensions, and hidden realms. These are not just abstract theories. Modern physics offers glimpses into these possibilities, while ancient spiritual teachings provide profound insights into what reality means. Together, they paint a picture of a universe far more mysterious and intricate than we ever dreamed. Just look at the stars above, the endless expanse of space, and the incredible complexity of life. They all hint at something extraordinary, and yet they barely scratch the surface. What if the universe is not just infinite in scope, but layered with dimensions, parallel realities, and cycles of creation and destruction? What if infinity itself is just the beginning? This exploration is not meant to provide absolute truths. This content is built with love, to inspire you, to provoke questions, and to invite your own reflections. It's a space to expand your perspective and wonder at the possibilities, not to impose answers. Because the true power of these ideas lies in how they challenge us to think deeper and see farther. So if you're ready to expand your mind and journey beyond the edges of reality, hit that subscribe button and join us in our community as we unravel the mysteries of infinity, multiverses, and higher dimensions. Imagine standing at the edge of a vast ocean. You can see the waves stretching endlessly into the horizon, and yet you know, deep down, that what lies beneath is far greater than what meets the eye. This is the multiverse, a realm where infinite possibilities unfold, each one contained within its own cosmic bubble. Modern physics suggests that our universe may be just one of countless others, like a single ripple in an endless cosmic sea. The concept of the multiverse emerges from theories like eternal inflation and the quantum many-worlds interpretation. Picture reality as a bubbling froth of possibilities, where each bubble represents a self-contained universe with its own unique set of laws. Within this infinite froth, some universes might mirror ours, while others could be unimaginably different. Places where the rules of physics are unrecognizable, where light doesn't exist, or where entire realities unfold in ways we can't begin to comprehend. The possibilities are infinite, as is the mystery. But the multiverse isn't just a playground for science. It's an idea that resonates deeply with our innate curiosity about the unknown. Think of it this way. If even one additional universe exists, what does that mean for our understanding of reality? Does it suggest that our choices and lives are just one expression of an endless range of possibilities? The quantum many-worlds interpretation even goes as far as suggesting that every decision we make spawns a new universe, a ripple in this infinite sea of realities. This isn't a purely modern idea, either. Ancient traditions have long contemplated the existence of multiple worlds. In Hindu cosmology, Ananta Brahmanda, infinite universes, are described as vast and boundless realms, each with its own cycles of creation and dissolution. Similarly, early Greek philosophers imagined countless worlds formed from endless combinations of matter. Across cultures and centuries, the multiverse has stirred humanity's imagination, hinting that what we perceive is only a fraction of the whole. And yet, there's an even deeper mystery. Could there be something that transcends even the multiverse? A force, a presence, or a reality that weaves through these infinite worlds and holds them together? Perhaps the multiverse is not the endpoint of exploration, but a gateway to something even greater. A realm where infinite possibilities converge into a deeper truth. If infinity itself has no boundary, does it still have a deeper essence beyond its vastness? These questions beckon us to explore not only outward into the vast expanse of existence, but also inward, toward the hidden layers of reality that shape our understanding of everything. What lies beyond the horizon may be unimaginably vast, but what lies within could be even more profound. Now imagine the world as you know it, a space of height, width, and depth, bound by time that moves steadily forward. This is the reality we live in, the framework of our existence. But what if there's more? What if these familiar dimensions are only the surface of a much deeper reality? Physicists, particularly those working on string theory, propose the existence of extra dimensions beyond the four we perceive. Figures like Edward Witten, a pioneer of M-theory, and Lisa Randall, who explores extra-dimensional physics, have helped shape our understanding of these hidden layers. According to string theory, the universe may consist of up to 11 dimensions, with these additional dimensions compactified or curled up at scales so small that they're undetectable to us. These dimensions could provide the missing pieces to unify the fundamental forces of nature. Resolving mysteries like the weakness of gravity compared to other forces, or even unlocking new insights about the structure of space-time itself. To understand this, think of a two-dimensional being living on a flat piece of paper. To them, the third dimension, our reality, would be entirely invisible. If a three-dimensional object passed through their world, they'd only see slices of it, a circle growing and shrinking as a sphere moves through their plane. In the same way, higher dimensions might exist all around us, influencing the physical world in ways we don't yet comprehend. Gravity, for instance, might appear weak because it leaks into these unseen dimensions, a phenomenon some physicists believe could be evidence of their existence. What's fascinating is that these extra dimensions may not be barren voids. Instead, they could be rich with their own unique phenomena, forces, or even forms of existence. Lisa Randall and Raman Sundaram's brain world hypothesis suggests that entire universes, vast and complex, could exist on parallel branes, separated from us by dimensions we cannot perceive. These higher dimensions may not just be theoretical curiosities, but could hold the key to understanding the interconnectedness of all things. But the idea of higher dimensions isn't confined to physics. Ancient spiritual teachings also describe realms beyond our perception, offering a perspective that aligns with these scientific theories in profound ways. Hindu cosmology speaks of lokas, planes of existence beyond the physical, each vibrating at a higher frequency of reality. These lokas are said to house beings and energies that operate on subtler, more refined levels of existence. Tibetan Buddhism describes Arupaloka, or formless realms, where physicality dissolves entirely and only pure consciousness remains. Such teachings suggest that higher dimensions aren't just spaces, but experiences, states of being that transcend our physical senses. What if these dimensions, described both by science and spiritual traditions, are more accessible than we think? What if they aren't just out there, but also in here, within the layers of our own consciousness? Mystics throughout history have spoken of inner journeys that mirror the exploration of hidden dimensions. Through practices like meditation, they claim to access states of awareness where the boundaries of self and the material world dissolve, an experience akin to stepping into another realm. This connection between ancient wisdom and modern physics hints at something extraordinary. It challenges us to expand our perception of reality and question whether the boundaries we experience are simply limitations of our senses. Higher dimensions may not just exist beyond our view of the cosmos, but within the depths of our own being, waiting for us to uncover them. What if the quest to understand the universe and the quest to understand ourselves are one and the same? Throughout history, humanity has sought to understand what lies beyond the tangible world, an innate curiosity that transcends cultures, eras, and even the boundaries of perception itself. Beyond physical and metaphysical descriptions, mystical traditions delve deeper into states of being that transcend even duality itself. In Kabbalistic teachings, the Ein Sof is the infinite, unknowable source of all creation, a state that exists beyond time, space, and form. Similarly, the Buddhist concept of nirvana represents liberation from the cycles of existence, a realm that transcends the very notions of being and non-being. These teachings aren't just theoretical. They invite us to reflect on reality as an interconnected web of consciousness and energy, a network where the physical and the immaterial are inseparable. But perhaps the most fascinating aspect of these spiritual insights is how they encourage us to look inward. They suggest that the journey to understanding the mysteries of higher dimensions doesn't begin with telescopes or equations, but with the mind itself. Meditation, self-inquiry, and states of heightened awareness are described as tools to pierce the veil of ordinary perception, offering glimpses into these hidden layers of reality. Could it be that the answers we seek in the cosmos already lie within us, waiting to be uncovered? If you're finding yourself captivated by these possibilities, consider showing your support with a like. It not only helps more seekers discover this journey, but it also strengthens our shared quest to understand existence. And as we continue, we'll explore the eternal cycles of creation and destruction, cycles that might hold the ultimate key to what lies beyond infinity. The universe moves in cycles: birth, growth, decay, and renewal. From the orbits of planets to the rhythm of a heartbeat, cycles shape the very structure of existence. These patterns are everywhere, connecting everything in a dynamic flow of beginnings and endings. But what if they extend far beyond the physical world? What if the universe itself operates within an infinite loop, endlessly repeating through an eternal rhythm? Scientific theories, such as the cyclic model or Big Bounce theory, propose that the universe has no true beginning or end. Instead, it transitions through endless phases of expansion and contraction. Each phase flows into the next, with creation giving way to dissolution, only to rise again. This challenges our concept of linear time, offering instead a vision of existence as infinite, self-sustaining, and timelessly renewing itself. In this view, what we experience as now is just one moment in an eternal cosmic cycle. This idea isn't new. It is deeply rooted in spiritual teachings that have long contemplated the nature of endless cycles. In Hinduism, the kalpas describe immense cosmic periods where the universe is created, preserved, and dissolved, only to begin again in a never-ending loop. The Ouroboros, an ancient symbol depicting a serpent swallowing its own tail, embodies this same concept of eternal return. It represents the cyclical nature of existence, where every ending carries within it the seed of a new beginning, and every beginning is born from what has come before. But these cycles also provoke deeper questions. If the universe is infinite in its repetitions, is there something that exists beyond these patterns? Could there be a state outside of the cycle itself? Some traditions, like Buddhism, describe such a state, something beyond the rhythms of creation and destruction. Nirvana, for example, is seen as liberation from the wheel of existence, a timeless and formless essence untouched by beginnings or endings. It's a state that transcends not just the cycles we observe, but the very concept of time and change. Perhaps what lies beyond infinity isn't a continuation of more, but something that escapes the very notion of cycles altogether. A reality beyond movement, beyond repetition, and beyond everything we perceive as finite or infinite. This idea invites us to rethink not only the universe, but also the essence of existence itself. Could infinity be pointing us toward a truth far more profound than endless repetition? What if the answer lies not in what comes next, but in what transcends all of it? The mysteries of infinity, multiverses, and higher dimensions leave us with more questions than answers. But perhaps that's the point. These ideas aren't meant to provide a final truth. They are invitations to expand our thinking and explore the boundaries of what we believe is possible. They challenge us to see reality not as fixed, but as a living, breathing mystery. We've explored multiverses, infinite cycles, and higher dimensions, and seen how both modern science and ancient spiritual teachings offer glimpses of a universe far more intricate and vast than we can comprehend. Perhaps what lies beyond infinity isn't just an extension of what we know, but something so fundamentally different that it transcends our ability to grasp it fully. It's a reminder that every answer leads to a deeper question. The beauty of these mysteries is how they inspire us, not just to look outward into the cosmos, but inward toward the infinite potential within ourselves. Maybe the universe, with all its layers and complexities, mirrors our own journey of exploration and transformation. So what do you think? Could it be that the greatest mystery lies not beyond the stars, but within you? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your perspective. And if this journey sparked curiosity or wonder, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more explorations, and check out one of the 2 videos we've linked here. Each offers another step into the unknown, waiting for you to take it.